Hi there, welcome. This is Donna for Whimsy Stamps, and I'm here with a new product reveal video for the Loads of Cheer clear stamp set. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set featuring Santa sitting on top of the chimney and dropping not so fun presents. This stamp set is perfect to send out to those family members and friends that can be a little bit like the Grinch at this time of the year. The stamp set features several punny sentiments that is more for the adult humor, and there are a couple of smaller images, one being the old toilet paper, which has kind of become synonymous with 2020. So we'll go ahead and stamp out the large image onto a piece of white cardstock. Now this image is rather large. It measures about 3¼ inches high and about 3 inches across at the widest part. So it is perfect for an A2 size card, and it will fit nicely onto a slimline card design as well. I do have one card to share with you using the Loads of Cheer Santa image. I've paired it with the new Cosmic Swirl background stamp to create this card. I will have a video tutorial for this card on October 12th on the Whimsy Stamps channel, so do come back and check that out. And head on over to the Whimsy Stamps Facebook group or the Instagram page to see what the other members of the design team created with this new release. As always, thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you another time.